Katunayan nga kahit sa panaginip, laging naroon ka at di maalis.
Like pop, like pop.
You are such an inheritance to your father.
He is a hereditary.
Nico, the single is
Military.
the single is
Singleist.
You invite them to watch Singalings.
Yeah, singling
invite.
every Saturday at 5:45 p.m. only on
CB5.
Disney Channel.
Hindi talaga ka, CB5.
Hey, alam nyo ba, fun story nung mga trainees pa kami nag-support kami kay Kuya Nico sa Singaling.
Paano?
Isa yun sa mga first appearances namin as Yes My Love. Anim pa kami nun. Okay, bago tayo mawala sa... Let's go to me first because you guys are the original singers of Laging Naroon Ka.
Okay.
This is the viral sensation of Kung Kaya. That's Kuya Jeff's voice. Okay.
Hindi nyo na maririnig yun kasi may iba ng version natin, Brian. Iba yun.
Bakit?
May iba na kami.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, that's why. So I'm gonna sing now. Okay. 1, 4. Kung kaya ikaw ang aking inibig, yan ay kusang nadama at di ko pinili. Sa katunayan, kahit sa panaginip, laging naroon ka at di maalis. Okay. And then let's do Brian Zamora.
Pisco.
You dance because you're the viral sensation of this one.
Okay, let's give it up for our cutie pie, the hotness overload in the season of the tropical
It's a
islands
guilty fine.
and the Philippine nation.
Yes,
Let's give it up for
guys, cutie
Brianna
pie.
Zamorana.
Miss Jessa? Kalang si Miss Jessa. Lole. Parang bigla tayo nakapagsito.
And now, the viral sensation of them all. Please introduce now.
Shakira, eres tú.
Eres tú. Ang iya. Ang iya.
Alam niyo, tama na yan. Mas maganda pa rin pag magkakasabay tayong lima with the help of the leaderment of Kuya Jeff.
Mag-falsetto tayo lahat.
Kuya Jeff, in your lead. This is our thank you to the 143 for streaming Laging Naroon Ka. Wala kayo. Nag-1M streams tayo. Thank you so much. Actually, nauna tayo mag-1M stream sa YouTube Music. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Magawa na kayo.
Bakit kayo 1 million stream tapos 30,000 lang yung monthly listeners?
Why is that so?
Sana kaya yung 900?
Sa confident daw kasi, wait lang daw. 100.
Monthly kasi nag-reset.
After daw ng monthly listeners ng this month, 100. Okay. Yung sing na daw.
Habang tumataya kayo, just listen to Coffee Day.
Habang nag-uugas, gano'n.
Ay, alam eh. Parang energy. Nawala na.
Magkaon. Sabi sa inyo, magkaon.
Lola.
Kumain ako ng ganito bago.
1, 4, 3. Kung kaya ikaw ang aking inibig, yan ay kusang na...
Na-distract ikaw.
Ay, pero...
May ring!
Meow.
Meow.
O tayo with harmonies ha.
Okay.
Meow.
Sige.
Anak tono. Sige ah.
Ano yun, no?
Kung ano yung set nila, kunyari.
Taas mo energy.
Pag-aso, corgi yan. Pag butterfly, ewan.
Hala, paano yan? Paano ang pair?
Ay, si Pearl!
Pearl ano? Nagising na yan siya.
Pero lalo, katuog na riya.
Aba.
Meow, 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 meow.
No, get it.
Meow, 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 meow.
Get it. Come on.
Meow, 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 meow.
So,
Meow, 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 meow.
Baba, oh.
yan. Like
Ah.
that.
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, mana? One.
Ngayon mo tayo ganyan eh. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
What's the one? Hey, baby.
Two.
Hey, can I get your phone?
Wait. Ay, pera.
Go.
Combo naman yung aso. Uri, ay...
Ginawa ko lang yung ero eh.
May cancel you so hard.
Bakit ang ero ba rin?
Isda. Dragon, sa ng dragon or lion?
Ano yun?
Dragon na talaga.
Dragon.
Walang tingo guys.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics ba. May lyrics yan.
Ay.
Do you ever think about me? Do you ever